Hello, good evening everyone. So in this video we will see how we can make copies of the Adobe web page which is being shared with us. So this is the link that has been shared, which is a collaborative link. The moment we click on it, it will take us to open a new page. At the same time, we may go to our Adobe page. This is my Adobe login. You can see it here. This is my login. We usually log into this spark.adobe.com as usual, and this is the page, this is the web page which we have to duplicate. So since I got it here in my recent projects, you can see it here, it says your recent projects, and the moment I click on this one, I hover my cursor on this project, it gives me this option of editing the project, or I can make a duplicate. Please do not edit it straight away. We click on these three dots and it gives us the option. So I go to the second option, which is duplicate. The moment I click on it, it will create a duplicate file, a copy file. Now this is asking me to amend the name. I give the name of the file for the class that I want to share it with. I write the name and I click on duplicate. Now this creates a duplicate file. You can have a quick look. It just says duplicating project and saving to your project. So in our file, in our Adobe login, it will save the number of files with different names. It's taking few seconds. And the moment it is ready, we may go ahead and share the link with the teachers so that they may edit at their end. Even the teachers need to create the copies for number of students of their class, and that is how they can proceed. Alright, so this has created a new invite. You may have a quick look, see the name of this project. I have created 6 projects like this. I made duplicate copies of all of them, and this was the original copy. You can have a quick look. It shows me the name here. It shows 56 views already here. So I came to know this is the original one, and these are the ones that I have created. Now after I have created and I have got the information, I can go here, and when I click on share and I want to invite someone to collaborate the same, so I will invite the teacher whom I would like to collaborate with. So let us observe the name of this project. Alright, so I go here and I collaborate and I share it with the teacher whom I want to invite. I just need to write their ID here. Suppose I want to share it with Indu